I just pulled back in.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna record y'all for my safety and y'all safety. So I understand that too. But y'all came straight to me for no reason. You said I'm as a suspect.
You do.
Okay.
Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Jason Jefferson. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Today's video took place on March 16th, 2021 in an unknown location. The man in the video had just arrived back home when he was approached by two police officers. They say that he matches the description of a suspect in a domestic violence situation. The officers ask for the man's ID, but he flatly refuses because he knows he has not committed a crime. One of the officers tries different word games to try and get the man to give up his ID. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
You do.
Okay, so what is the suspect? What was the crime I'm committed of? What I suspected?
Alleged domestic.
Alleged domestic.
That's why I told you that.
Alleged domestic.
That's what you just want me to repeat that for the camera now.
See, no. You want to be on a show for the camera, then that's fine and dandy with you.
Right,
But alleged domestic.
Yeah.
But you walked up to me and I told you I wasn't in no domestic. I told you I wasn't in no domestic, and I just pulled up here.
So am I supposed to take your word for that?
I don't give a do or not.
Okay.
I don't care whether you do or not. I just pulled up here.
Okay.
And you could ask my neighbors that I just, and you can ask my neighbors that I just pulled up here. Ain't no issue. I'm sitting here looking for something. Ain't no issue.
Your neighbor might have been the one that called.
I don't get neighbor called. I'm talking about you have to talk to my neighbor that see me. Just pulled up here.
Okay.
I just pulled up here.
Do you have your ID, sir?
I'm not giving you my ID because I ain't did nothing wrong.
The quicker you give me your ID, the quicker I get out of
You
here.
can go because I'm not. Am I suspected of committing a crime?
Yes.
What crime?
Do I gotta repeat myself for a
What
third
crime?
time?
What crime?
Domestic
That's
assault.
I didn't do no domestic assault.
That's what you're alleged.
That's alleged. That ain't a crime.
It is a crime. Domestic assault would be a crime.
This is not a crime. I'm not going to give you my ID because nothing I didn't do.
Oh, is that your vehicle?
What?
Is this your vehicle?
Wow, you can run a license plate on any one of these vehicles. I didn't do nothing. I'm not going to give you my ID for something I didn't do.
Then I guess we'll just hang out here.
Okay, hang out. You can hang out all you want. You know, he can hang out all he wants.
Then why would someone call saying you guys are fighting?
People call all the time. This is a dope county out here. It could have been other people out here fighting.
You match the exact description.
Yeah, black male had on the ball cap that just pulled up to his home.
White shoes, blue sweatshirt.
White shoes, blue sweatshirt.
Yes. That's you.
And I just put this on. I just put this on. I just put this on. So come on, man. I'm not finna go here with your guy, man. I'm not finna go. I'm not gonna go that route. But I'm just not gonna go that route with him.
But we gotta figure out what's going on.
I'm not gonna go that route.
You said there's nothing going on. She said there's nothing.
And it's nothing going on because I literally just pulled up
But
here.
we gotta figure that out first, right?
Just explain to your partner, my key broke, the ignition.
But we gotta figure that out first, right?
Dude, I don't know what too much is to figure out when I just said I literally just pulled up here. I literally just pulled up here. I wasn't even here. My tires are still wet. I just pulled up here.
Do you realize cooperation goes a long way?
Man, I don't have to cooperate if I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. Okay, we're just talking, right? We're just talking here, right?
You're the
No
one.
one-
You're raising your voice like.
Hey, all right. It doesn't matter. We're talking, right? Is this a consensual conversation?
Am I yelling at you?
Is this a consensual conversation?
Yelling back at us.
I'm not yelling at y'all.
We're just asking you a
But
couple simple questions.
and I answered it, but I answered it though.
Okay.
I answered it.
If I talk to you
I
like you're
answered
talking
it.
to me, you tell me I'm yelling.
Just because you got a badge on, you're trying to do something else. I'm not going to go there with that.
This badge means nothing. It's badge.
Exactly, and it doesn't mean nothing to me. But I respect law enforcement. But just like you said, it don't.
You have
This badge.
It don't.
This badge says who I work for
That's-
and that I'm a police
Okay,
officer.
and you're here to protect and serve. And I told you I just got here. I didn't do anything.
Okay.
So, and I just told you I didn't do anything.
You know how many people?
I don't care. I don't. That's other people. It doesn't matter to me how many.
I don't know you
It
from
do-
the next guy.
Exactly, and you're not gonna know me because I'm not gonna give you my ID because I didn't do anything.
Why, you have warrants or something?
Man, what?
I'm asking you.
What? I got warrants? Is that what you said?
Yeah, I asked if you had warrants.
Do I got warrants? No, I don't have warrants.
Is that a valid question?
No, that's not a valid question because I want to know why would you ask me if I had
Because
warrants?
you're refusing to ID yourself.
Because I don't have to ID myself. I didn't do
And a
anything
lot of times
wrong.
when people refuse to ID themselves.
Well,
it's
that's
because they have
what you think. That's what you think. I didn't do anything wrong, and I don't have warrants.
That's a valid question.
And I don't have warrants. I ain't been in trouble in a long time.
Okay.
Get out of here.
Yes, please.
You have a blessed day.
Yeah, you have one too as well.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Jason Jefferson's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and would like to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there. Everyone know that I have released my first ebook entitled Remain Silent, Top 3 Trick Questions Police Officers Will Ask You. If you want to know what these 3 questions are and how to respond to them, please click on the link in the description below to download your free copy of my ebook. Before we break down this footage, I want to take a moment and talk to you about We the People University. If you haven't heard about this online course, I want to let you in on a little secret. Its sole purpose is to train you to know what it takes to make sure you are not unfairly treated by the police ever again. Who better to teach you what to do when the police try to search you or your property illegally or violate any of your constitutional rights than former police officer and sheriff's deputy Abiyah Israel. Learning your basic rights is an easy process. The only thing it takes is you being willing to learn. Do you want to learn all the trick questions that police ask during a traffic stop? Do you want to take back control from the police? If so, please click on the link in the description below. You will learn the secret of taking control of your constitutional rights back from the tyrants who abuse the law.